A long time ago when slide film was used, they used to sandwich two pieces of slide film between the same mount. This is what you'll get today if you look up sandwich photography online. Use the words double exposure. Let's start with 5 ideas of what to take pictures of. Here I used the same picture and flipped it upside down, combined it with itself. This one is the same picture but mirror imaged. And this one is the same picture but moved slightly. Sometimes you just want to make it look like there's more. Combine 2 similar shots of flowers. Or maybe 2 similar shots of snow ice. How about fire and ice? Or a bland gray cement structure with beautiful flowers. When adding text in a photo, it's taking a picture of text. Or designing one yourself. This one is my favorite. Here's a photo and 2 examples of textures you could use with it. Try starting out with a contrasted picture. It gives you more dramatic results. And play around with the blending options. Here's 2 pictures that have been blended differently. I use PicsArt. Pick the purple plus sign to choose your picture to start. Then you're going to go over to Add Photo. Choose a second image and hit Add. It will always start out small, so you'll need to resize it. Then scroll over and find the Blend option. Here you'll have your choices. There's 5 or 6 choices for blending. So I'm just going to show you GIMP on how to put the pictures together for sandwiching. So I'm going to pick 2 pictures. I'm going to open them as layers. So I'm going to pick the maple leaf and let's go with sugar under the microscope. So I hold Control to select both of them and open. Now I picked these 2 pictures for a couple of reasons. One, because they're different sizes. If you want to make them the same size, you just go to your changing size icon. You can change them to be the same size. I actually like this circle, so I'm going to leave it. So the simple thing to do is we're going to look at mode. And normally you can't see through the top picture to the bottom one. But if we click on this menu, we have all these drop-down options. My favorite is lighten only and darken only. But they will all do different things. So if you want to go through the list and try all of them to see which one you like the best. So I'm going to go with darken only. That's all you have to do to get your double exposure picture. But what you can do is I could center the maple leaf sort of within the circle. So the sugar one is on top. So I'm just going to take my move icon and kind of center it. Something like that. There's a final step that I would do before I saved it. I would crop it because you don't have all your images overlapping, so I would just crop it here. So this would be your final image. Just a reminder, you have to export it if you want to save it as JPEG. So you're going to go File, instead of Save As, you're going to hit Export. And mine automatically saves as JPEG because I have it set up like that. But if it's not, you need to go to Select File Type, and you can select your extension. So you would find JPEG in here if it's not appearing. And then you hit Export. And again, you don't want to replace your original, so I'm just going to call it, I believe, 2. I'm going to hit Export.